Okay, class, now we're talking about urine. We're discussing briefly urine. Okay, we start with the color and transparency. It's generally a yellow, more concentrated, it's more yellow. Now this has to do with urochrome. Urochrome, I'll come over here to the test strips, have to do with urobilinogen. Remember, if you recall, that the breakdown of bilirubin. Remember, the breakdown of bilirubin, that goes out through the kidney can be called urobilin or urobilinogen, shall I say. Okay? Drugs, vitamins, and supplements and diet can change the color of urine because depending on how they're metabolized and eliminated. It can be in the urine and cause the urine, like eating beets sometimes can cause the urine to get more reddish. Okay? Cloud of urine may indicate infection of the urinary tract. Now I'm sure some of you have seen what they call the test strips that you dip into urine and then the color of the strip determines what you got, like protein, which you shouldn't have any in there, and so forth like that there. So these are like the test strip aspects to look at. Okay, we'll go a little further. Odor, first urine is slightly aromatic. Okay, that ammonia stuff that's in there. See, the nitrites and so forth. Standing urine develops an ammonia odor. Okay, primarily due to bacteria that occur in the urine if it just stands for a long time. Some drugs and vegetables alter the usual odor. Okay, the pH is slightly acidic, but the pH changes depending on the acid-base balance of the body. Depending on the acid-base balance of the body, that pH changes. Okay. Diet can alter pH. So in other words, if the body is very acidic, then you want to get rid of acid. So then the urine will be more acidic. Body is very basic, you want to get rid of bicarb. Okay. Diet can alter the pH. Specific gravity. Water has a specific gravity of 1. So this ranges from about a 1 to 1.035. And it's really dependent a lot on the solid concentration. The more solid, the higher the specific gravity. Okay. Chemical composition of urine, about 95% water, about 5% solutes. Nitrogenous waste, or urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Urea is the breakdown product of your proteins. It's the amine group to give urea. Uric acid from the nitrogenous bases in DNA and RNA, and we've already talked about creatinine. Then, of course, you'll have the sodium, potassium, phosphate, and other substances there. Okay? So that kind of gives you an idea on the urine aspect. All right? We'll close here because next we'll go to the ureters and then on to the bladder.